So that means stop going ahead.
What?
I already
Oh,
have
Sai's going ahead already, huh? Gosh, that guy. Hey, Sai, guess where I'm headed? Rexburg. I can't really hear you though, Sai. I can hear.
He says his microphone's not working.
Oh yeah, of course. He's never a part of our group conversations.
Justin is almost home from work.
Not up all the way.
So, did the chapter make sense to you guys?
Yeah, the homework. I have some questions about some stuff on the preparation assignment, how to do it, and the homework afterwards. I don't know if you guys have done that already.
I'm sure Sai has. He's probably done the quiz already too. Yeah, I did the homework.
Okay.
I actually already took the quiz too.
Wow.
Yeah. Bad example like Sai.
When you taking the dad Carly, what does that mean?
What?
So I just told me to that. You want me to ask my question while I'm waiting for Dustin?
Yeah.
Okay. So on the preparation assignment, number 7, it says a sample of size N4 is taken from the normally distributed 2011 sales data. What's the probability that the observed mean is greater than 35 and less than 55? Maybe I know how to do that one. Just kidding.
So you put it on the normal distribution graph, and then you highlight. You find the what do you call it? The z-score for 35 and 75, and then you highlight in between 35 and 75 for the z-scores. If that makes sense. And then the area is going to be your answer.
Wait, so I find the z-score for 55 and then 35 and put them both in, and then in between both, and then the section in between is going to be it?
Yeah.
So it's not going to be like 2 and -2, it'll be like -1.7 and like -47 or something like that. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
Okay, so that's the same probably at the bottom. Do you know how on the homework it talks about the last 3 of them? It talks about finding the z-score for the mean volume of 128. So the mean for the problem, or the actual mean of the normally distributed is 1.
Sorry, you just cut out a little bit.
Never mind, I figured it out. Nope, I didn't. So it says find the z-score corresponding to the sample mean.
Okay, so then you take the mean minus the sample mean, and then, or sorry, the sample mean minus the mean, and then divide that over the standard deviation with the square root of, oh shoot, yeah, the square root of the number of samples. And that's how you get the z-score for the sample mean.
140 miles.
So even though it says corresponding, that doesn't mean it's different?
I don't think so. I think corresponding just means like it's the sample of the overall population. I don't know if you're wrong, but hey, Dustin.
Hey. How are you guys doing?
Good.
Okay, I'm trying to open up the other stuff. Are you doing this in your car, driving?
Yeah, I'm on the road right now. I'm in the passenger seat, so it's okay.
Coming to the promised land.
So, shall we begin the quiz?
Sure.
Let's.
I'm working on half an hour of sleep, so bear with me.
Ah, gotcha.
Sai will
Man, I'm
scream
sorry.
at you when you fall asleep.
All right. Okay, got it open.
Alright. So, for number 1, I got A on that one.
Yeah, hey, I like it.
Number 2,
Hey,
A as well.
Haha, I got my phone working.
yeah,
Hey!
Can you hear me now?
Yeah!
I can hear you.
Sweet, there's 2 of me on here, so I'm just super popular on this video call.
Awesome.
A problem solved.
You didn't solve the problem.
Okay, so I used that applet and just typed in the numbers, and I got 0.175 is the rounded to the 3rd decimal place.
Yep.
Yep, that's what I got.
All right, so number 4, the distribution of the sample mean x should be the smaller standard deviation, right?
Yeah.
So it should be B on number 4.
Yeah.
And then
Wait,
number
wait.
5.
The
Hold on.
sample means X.
I got C on number 4.
Which of the following will have a
Did you
smaller
do-
standard deviation if, oh, it's only 9 observations. Yeah, you're right.
See, because it's small, so it's
Yeah.
okay.
Yeah, sorry, I misread the number on that.
So it can't be determined.
It cannot be determined. Okay, now on to number 5.
Yeah.
Which of the following results implies that the spread in X decreases as the sample size increases? Which law is, which rule is that?
That's the central
limit theorem?
Yeah. Field.
Awesome. All right. So this one we probably need like an Excel sheet going for it.
No, I know we might not.
Sorry, what was the question?
What?
So we
What
gotta
question
do
are we
the
on right now?
score. We're on 6.
6.
Hey Matt, don't get in a wreck.
Hey, I'm not the one driving, so it's all good.
If you got in an accident, I just don't know what I would do. Yeah, we're on 6. So Diane earned a score of 160 on the quantitative portion of the GRE. What is the Z-score corresponding to Diane's score?
Okay, I got 1.045 on that. Just
That's
take
what I
the
got.
yeah.
So
Use
did
that
you just
formula.
you do the
Take the
that
sample mean
value?
minus population mean over the standard deviation divided
Okay.
by the number, or the
And
square root
then
of the number.
for the on that one, the square root of the n would be just 1, wouldn't it? Because it's just her, or
I think if it's more than 1, then you would do the square root. But because it's just
Well,
1.
Yeah, either way, you could do the square root and it would just end up being 1.
Yeah. Yep.
So what is the probability that a randomly selected student will score above 160 on the quantitative portion of the GRE? Let's see.
okay. What did you guys say you got the score for?
1.045.
Yeah, 1.045.
Does that not sound right, Dustin?
I'm just trying to
That's
work
what I
it
got.
out. That's all. No, I got called into work last night, so I got half an hour of sleep.
All right.
Just trying to make sure I get all my math done.
So then number 7.
Okay.
I got 0.148.
0.148.
We score above 160.
Hey, we lost Matt.
Did we lose Matt?
Oh, thank goodness.
Yeah,
I was
except
getting sick of that guy anyways.
he's the one recording us.
No, I'm the one recording you this time.
You are.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. I guess we're fine then.
All right, so
So
1.48 or 0.148, Carly, is what you were getting on that?
Yeah, Dustin, did you get the same?
I was going to ask you guys to walk me through that one real quick.
Roger.
Probability score above.
Go ahead, Carly. Walk us through that one real quick, would you?
Well, I just put the Z-score into the applet and then get everything greater than that.
Well, you can't just do that. Come on, what are you talking about? What's the Z-score? What are you talking about? Oh, the
Did you
Z-score
take
we
this-
just figured out?
Well, we just figured out the Z-score from the question above.
Oh.
Okay,
Put the
I was missing that link.
1.045 into it, and then do the greater, like highlight the greater than the
Yeah.
1.045, right? And
Yeah.
then you get 0.148.
Right. Okay. Well, I feel silly now.
Don't feel silly. I actually did the exact same thing. I was wondering where you got that number from. So, okay, awesome.
Pulling numbers out of the air.
Good job, Carly. We're proud of you.
Thank you.
Okay.
What is the Z-score corresponding to the sample mean of these students?
So we got to figure out the mean of those 5 scores first, right?
Yep.
So they are 160.
Divide that by 5.
Not
So
right.
I got a mean of 160.
That's what I got too.
Okay.
My computer doesn't know what I'm talking about, apparently.
So what I did was I took just did the mean of our sample.
Mm-hmm.
So I got the do that first for your value. Come back. I hear Matt. No?
Can you hear me?
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah, we can hear you.
Okay.
Okay.
Number 9, I got
We're on 8.
Whoa!
We're on 8 still.
Oh, you're number 8?
Yeah, we're not that fast.
Is this number 8 the same exact thing as number 7?
Yeah, except you put a 5 in for
Yeah,
the
we have
end.
to divide by the square root of 5.
Oh.
Yeah.
So,
Be 160 minus.
numbers. Okay. Okay.
What's the square root of 5?
It's gonna be 308.
What's that?
Okay, what did you end up getting for your answer for 8?
2.338.
8. Okay, awesome. That's what I got too.
Roger. Okay, now we're ready for number 9, Mr. Rinlessbacher.
Man, I thought you'd already done it, Si.
I have. I just want to know what you got because I don't want to look dumb when I
Uh,
tell you my answer was like 4 or something.
Okay.
So you put the z-score in, and then you
and then
basically highlight
so
above
it's,
it. It's
so it's a really
0.0097.
Okay.
Yep.
What's that? Sorry, I got a little kerfuffle there.
0.0097.
Okay. All right. Number 10. The shape and sampling distribution of the random variable x. 81 students. That should be approximately normal because it's 81 students, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay. What is the mean of the distribution of the sample means for all possible samples of size 81 could be counted?
It's going to be the same as their mean up there. So it's 3.5, isn't it?
Yep, 3.5.
What is the standard deviation of the sample means for all possible samples of size 81 could be counted?
Size 81. So we go 0.7 divided by the square root of 81, which is 9, right?
Yeah, that's 9.
So 0.7 divided by 9.
I got 0.078 on that one.
So do we do that one, or do we do just what it tells us? How would we know which one to do?
Aren't we just taking the standard deviation that they gave us? And then we're going to divide that by the square root of n?
Why wouldn't we just use the one they gave us? Because it's a distribution of the sample means? Because that one's different?
Yeah, because it's talking about sample means and not just the sample.
Just regular.
That makes sense. Yeah.
Okay, so what did you guys come up with for your answer for 12?
0.078.
Okay, I'm doing something different. Let me see if I can figure it out real quick. I gotta let my kid in. I'll be right back. Sorry.
What is it? 0.7 divided by 9? Yeah, it's 0.078. That's right. Okay.
Yep.
0.7 divided by 9. Okay, there we go.
Okay. Oh, crap. I just deleted 13. What did we have for 13? Oh, we didn't do that yet. Okay, good.
With the GPA for 81 rounds. Less than
That is going to be 0.005.
So you just did, just took all that information and down the Z-score and put it in the applet?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Wait, what did you get?
0.005.
Point 0.001. Okay, nice. I'm not impressed that you can do this in a car.
Yeah, me too. What a guy.
I can't even see you guys right now. I have the quiz on my phone. It's pretty epic.
Sign it like that.
What is the probability? What?
Dude, number 14.
14.
0.995.
0.995.
Yeah, because
You know what?
That's above the last answer, right?
Can you hear me?
Oh, I just got some echo.
Can you hear me now?
Yeah.
Yeah, I can hear you.
I found out what's wrong with my computer. There's a hard microphone turn on button on here.
Ah.
They should have told me that in the manual or something. All right. Part of assumed the mean weight of passengers in commercial boats is 185 pounds. They're not in America. The previous value was lower, but was raised after a tragic boating accident. The standard deviation of passengers' weights was about 26.7 pounds. The weights of a random sample of 48 commercial boat passengers were recorded. The sample mean was determined to be 177.6. Find the probability that a random sample of passengers will have a weight that is as extreme or more extreme than was the observed in the sample. So it needs to be at least 177.6 pounds. That's our probability.
And this one's kind of confusing because the way it's worded, it says either above or below. And if you think about it, above or below or at the mean, there's 100% chance that the score is going to fall in between one of those things. Like it has to be the mean or above or below it. There's no way it could.
Oh, you're right.
So it's tricky, but it's not one. Like you think it was one, but it's not. No, I got it wrong.
That sucks.
Yeah. So I don't know what it's asking for.
Already?
Maybe.
Oh my goodness. Well, then what do we do?
I don't know. I have no idea.
Probably.
Well, if Matt doesn't even know what we're supposed to do.
I think it wants like I think the mean of 185, maybe everything above it.
So if we go and use those numbers, we find the Z-score, and then they're saying either above or below the mean. Couldn't we be looking just for that chunk that's on the outside, the part, like we did at the very beginning?
Yeah, the blue parts or whatever.
Yeah. So like if we took the Z-scores, and then we took the parts that are the two outside layers.
Oh, okay. I get what it's saying. Yeah, so it's saying like right now it's what is that? 2 pounds off of the 185 pounds, so it's roughly 8 pounds less than the mean. So it's saying go 8 pounds either way, and what's the probability of finding someone there?
Oh, okay.
And then
Does that make sense? I guess it's 7.4 pounds. Right?
Yeah.
So it'd be from 177.6 and down, and 192.4 and up, and all of those.
That makes sense.
But they want the probability, right?
Yeah, they want the probability of finding someone there, and so we have to do that.
So
one of you should show me what you're doing on your screen. I'm so confused.
I don't even know how to make it so I can see you guys see the rest of this now. But
there's like a little screen sharing button on the top of the screen on your laptop. There should be anyway.
Oh, you guys
the left side.
Screen share. Okay. Higher screen. So share. have no idea what it is today. Okay, I'll go to here. Can you guys see the problem on here?
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
No, all I can see is us.
So,
Oh, there we
and
go.
I might be wrong, but what I'm thinking is finding out the Z-score with the information they gave us. So they said that the Coast Guard system mean weight of passengers was 185. That's their new mean. So that's our population mean. And then the standard deviation was 26.7 here.
Okay.
Then they took 48 samples and they found the mean of that to be 177.6. So what I did was I went 177.6 minus 185, and then I divided that by the 26.7 divided by the square root of 48, and I came up with a negative 1.92. And so then I came over here to the applet, put in this number here on my applet, and then what I'm thinking, I might be wrong, is that they're looking for the two outliers over here. So the blue over here and the blue over here, because they're looking for those extremes. And then so the probability that I came up that I'm seeing is like that 0.055. I'll throw it in and submit my test and see what it says. I don't know. How's that sound to you guys? Does it sound like they screwed it up?
What number did you get again?
For the
0.055.
probability?
Yeah,
0.055.
0.055. Huh?
And
Let's try it out.
okay, so we got all those. Let's see what I get. And yes.
Fingers crossed.
2, 2, 1. Oh, question 4. I'm wrong.
Oh, really?
Did you
4
see
should be.
that?
I got C on number 4.
This
Four
cannot be
and-
determined.
Yeah, we
Okay,
use
so this 5's going to end up being the law of large numbers.
5 is a lot of large numbers.
4, I'm guessing that.
Oh, you know what? 4 is actually the distribution of individual of sample means is gonna be
The individual.
Yeah, because that always has a smaller standard deviation.
yeah.
Is the individual one?
So it's the B.
Oh, it's B.
Yeah,
Okay.
because there's a better chance that means are going to be closer to each other, because with just standard numbers, there's like all these crazy outliers. So, like in theory, it would be true most of the time, but it's not always true. So that one's kind of debatable. But
Yeah, I would go with B though for this, because that kind of follows what they've been saying. So because they're saying which of the following will have a smaller standard deviation. So I
How'd
would
you do
go
on
with
number
B.
15?
yeah.
And then I'll get there. 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. Yep. 15.
Oh, hey.
Oh, good
Cool.
job.
Okay.
Sweet.
Field must be a valid number. What field must be a valid number?
Which one is that? Which one do you have a valid number on?
I don't know. I'm looking for it. Should I highlight it?
I would assume that you might have put in like 2 decimals or something.
Oh, let's see. 4 decimals. F.
Are you guys still all just looking at my test?
I have an apostrophe at the end of number 4.
Okay, so I need to go back. 6, 4, 5. I'm gonna write those down because I'm gonna have to go and. Do we only get 1 test or we get 2?
No, you get 2.
No,
You get 2.
Okay, so
I'm gonna write down all the answers.
I have to go take a test. Sweet BYU Idaho Testing Center.
Oh, fun.
Okay, I'll get rid of this so you guys don't have to keep on looking at my test. Unless you guys want to see it anymore.
I'm good.
All right, I turned it off.
I want to see your face more than I want to see that.
Hey Matt, what time are you getting up here?
I'll be there tonight. I'm going there for my internship, so they're covering a hotel. Which hotel are we staying at? Quality. We're staying at the Quality Inn.
Oh, right on.
On Main Street.
Has good quality.
That's right.
It wouldn't be covering you if it wasn't the same cost for 2 people as it is for 1.
So,
All right, dude.
Any questions?
I'll give you a holler. No, I'm good. You guys need anything else?
Right.
Hey, how do I post this?
Just on the discussion board. You just post a link on the discussion board with our names under
Okay,
it.
cool. All righty.
Cool.
Thanks,
See you,
guys.
Si.
See you guys.
Bye.
See you guys.
Yeah.